Hey everybody, Kevin here with Solar Tools USA, and we got some new pipe caps I wanted to show you. A lot of you may be familiar with our older pipe caps. They were all black, and if you wanted them custom logoed, we would basically indent your logo into the cap. But now with our new facility here and our new printing capabilities, we brought everything in-house. Has some really cool high-end printers that we're able to play with now and actually have some fun. So now we have black and gray caps, and we can do your company logos in the opposite color to where it really stands out. And we can do them in all sizes from 1.5 to 3 inch. We also do 2.5 inch for Sunmoto. And then recently we've actually started adding color into our logos too. So if your company logo has some basic color in it, we could do that. We can't do like gradient colors and get all crazy, and we don't have every colors of the rainbow available to us, but we can implement some color to give it a little bit of pop. And we found customers are really enjoying putting their names on their ground mount solar systems, as well as their phone numbers for callbacks. A couple of the cool new features we have is we have a honeycombed inside. This allows them to slide on a lot easier, but still adhere to the pipe. And then in some cases, if you really want to have them stay permanently, you can put some silicone in here and it fills those little holes and allows us to hold real nice and tight. Structurally, they're very strong. They're made of an ABS polymer that is designed for you to be UV resistant, and it does not expand and contract drastically in the heat and the cold, so they're not going to work themselves off over time or crack over time. So yeah, solid way to put your company's logo on your systems. And the most important thing I guess I should note is they're half the price they used to be. Now that we have everything in-house and we're doing all the designs ourselves, and we have our printing capabilities with our new printing room, then we've been able to drop the price down on these quite significantly. So hit us up. You can get these custom pipe caps from Solar Tools. You can get them from Wesco, CED Green Tech, SRS Distribution, ABC Supply. Just go in, ask your local rep, whoever you work with, and we can get these going for you.